Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create guidelines for your videos in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm going to add in a photo, like a color from background. For instance, I want the guidelines to be red. Rotate it. And I'm just going to scale it up. Go to mask and select mirror, and I am going to select, whoa, let's rotate this first. I'm just going to select this mask and I'm going to make it really small, like just like a line. Copy and paste it and add it like so. Copy and paste it again, and you're going to want to rotate it, and you're going to just create a guideline. That's pretty much it, really. It is that simple. You can even like select everything and adjust the opacity so it's not too visible if you want to. But these are just guidelines helping. You don't really need to do that. You can just delete it later. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!